Imagine being told you have less than a year to live. Imagine your dreams collapsing, your body breaking, your time slipping away. Most people would give up, but not Elena Hartley. Welcome to Dying to Live, My War with Cancer. A story not about death, but about rediscovering life. A story that has touched millions of hearts, and after hearing it, it just might change yours too. Chapter 1. The Diagnosis. The day the clock started. It all started with back pain and fatigue. Elena Hartley, a successful fashion designer, thought she just needed rest. But after multiple tests, the results shattered her world. Stage 4 breast cancer, already spread to her liver and bones. The chapter captures her shock, denial, and desperation. Doctors spoke in statistics. Friends cried. Her fiancé went silent. And Elena? I felt like I was watching my life end in real time, from inside a glass box. Chapter 2. Body Breakdown. The War Inside. She begins chemotherapy. Every detail is vivid. Her hair clogging the shower, her skin burning from radiation, her body bruised, her soul numb. Elena writes goodbye letters at night, preparing for the worst. But in her lowest moments, she begins writing a blog, Cancer Without a Wig, as an emotional release. It slowly goes viral. People started writing back, total strangers. Suddenly, I wasn't alone anymore. Chapter 3. The Emotional Cancer. What was eating me? This is the turning point. Elena meets an integrative therapist who asks a strange question. What if your body is trying to tell you something your voice never could? She begins inner work, facing childhood trauma, years of people-pleasing, abandonment by her father, and the pain of never feeling enough. It wasn't just the cancer that needed healing, it was me. Through journaling, breathwork, and energy healing, her perspective shifts. This chapter teaches that healing isn't only medical, it's emotional, spiritual, and deeply personal. Chapter 4. The Shift. Healing without a cure. Doctors call it miraculous. The tumors stop growing, her body stabilizes. But Elena doesn't use the word cured. I wasn't healed by medicine alone, I was healed by meaning. She travels, speaks at cancer centers, meets a fellow survivor, Liam, who becomes her romantic partner, and reunites with her mother. Her blog now has millions of readers. She starts a podcast for survivors. This section is filled with hope and resilience. Chapter 5. Rebirth. I died so I could live. Years pass. She's still technically terminal, but she's thriving. She skydives, she paints, she records this very audiobook, and she makes peace with her own mortality. I don't fear death anymore. I fear not living while I still can. She ends the chapter at a mountaintop in Peru, watching the sunrise with her journal in her lap. No more plans, no more pretending, just presence. Elena Hartley's story is more than a fight against cancer. It's a wake-up call to all of us, a reminder that life isn't promised, and the time to live it fully is now. Whether you're a patient, a loved one, or just someone feeling lost, this story will open your heart and maybe heal parts you never knew were hurting.